Enrolling in an Aetna Medicare plan online is simple, and we're here to walk you through it. Begin by logging in to takeaction.aetnamedicare.com. On the welcome page, enter your Aetna member ID card number along with your date of birth. Entering your member ID card number protects your privacy and allows us to personalize the plan information that's displayed, making it easier to find the right Aetna plan for you. Then click on Get Started. For your convenience, your information is displayed for your review. If you need to change your zip code, just click the Edit button. A pop-up will display, allowing you to make changes. Next, review your medications and pharmacy information. Again, if anything looks incorrect, simply click the Edit button. On the Edit page, you'll have another chance to update your zip code if needed. If you want to see recommended plans similar to what you have now, under What Coverage Are You Interested In, select Medical and Prescription Drug, then click Continue. You'll then need to verify your health status and age range. The health status defaults to Generally Healthy. Because this is part of the criteria we use to recommend plans for you, please change this to reflect your current health status if needed. Once you're done editing your information, just click Continue. This will take you to review your medications and allow you to add any drugs that may be missing. To update or add prescription drugs, enter the drug name and select the correct drug that appears. Be sure to enter your quantity and frequency. Then click Add. Continue to add drugs to your list until it is complete, and then click Continue. This will take you to the pharmacy section, where you can select which pharmacy location you prefer. This will help provide the most accurate drug pricing. To add or edit your pharmacy, simply enter your zip code. A list of pharmacies will display, where you can then select Add Pharmacy. Once your pharmacy has been added, it will display at the top under Your Pharmacy. Verify it's correct, then click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to choose the right Aetna plan for you. We've provided a plan or two we think you might like. You can enroll in a plan starting on October 15th of this year. Until then, you can review your Aetna plan details found on this page to decide which option is right for you. For each plan, we've provided information you may want to know. Please note that the total estimated annual cost displayed is just that, an estimate, and it varies for each person based on the information provided. To see an expanded description of benefits and costs for each plan, click on Plan Details. Please review these benefits and costs to determine if this plan is best for you. If you'd like to go back to the listed plans, click on the Previous link, located at the top of the page. You can also view a list of all available Aetna Medicare Advantage plan options by clicking on View All Available Aetna Plans. Or, if you would like to compare the plans listed, click on Compare These Plans. This will display a side-by-side view of the benefits included in each plan. Once you've found the Aetna plan that's right for you, and it's after October 15th, you can click on the Enroll in this Plan button. You will then see the plan you have selected displayed. If everything looks correct, select the Proceed to Checkout button. This will begin your enrollment process. Complete the easy 4-step online enrollment process, starting with the Personal Information form. If you have any questions as you fill out this form, please call the Member Enrollment Helpline for real-time assistance. That number can be found by clicking on the Contact Us button at the top of the page. When our online licensed agents are available, you'll also see a Click to Chat with Us button on the right side of the page. By clicking on that button, you can chat with a live agent online, or you can also contact your broker. Be assured, your broker will remain your agent of record when you enroll online. Once you have filled everything out, be sure to review your information and click Submit when you're done. Once you've successfully submitted your enrollment form, you'll see a confirmation page. If you'd like to receive a copy for your records, please click the email link and enter your email address. Then click Continue. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address you entered. And you're done. Thanks for submitting your online enrollment form. If you have questions or would like to enroll over the phone, call us at 1-833-898-2186 TTY 711. A licensed Aetna representative will answer your call, or you can also give your broker a call. We're excited to keep you as part of the Aetna family.